never knew, no, I never knew that.
Hey boo, it may be a little loud in here because I have a freaking temporary unit in here because my air condition is broken in this 90-degree heat, southern heat, okay? But that's beside the point. If it's a little noisy, please forgive me. I have a lot going on. But today's video is gonna be a maintenance haul. I didn't intro this correctly. Hi y'all, it's your girl Destiny Lanay, and I hope this video brightens your day. Today's video is a hygiene self-care shop with me video. I want you guys to come with me on my little journey to go pick up a few things that are my favorite hygiene products. I'm gonna hop. I don't know why I didn't get up earlier. I needed a freaking nap. I do know why I needed a freaking nap, but I really need to get a few products from Target that are essential for my hygiene routine. So I'm like, shoot, I might as well bring y'all with me. So that's what we're doing. I'm bringing y'all with me to Target to pick up some of my favorite hygiene products. Just a few. I just need to refill on a couple of things, so I'm gonna bring y'all with me. As you can see, I have a huge pimple on the side because it's literally the size of the patch. And my skin's not doing the best right now, but you know, the time of the month just you know, came and went, so she kind of beat me up in the process, and it left me with a little friend. I have backup patches. I normally use Mighty patches, but I have these backup patches. They're like some stars. I don't even know what they are. I got them from Walmart a long time ago on my lunch break during work because I had a crazy pimple back then too. But all that to be said, these aren't my favorite patches, and it did exactly what I thought it was gonna do. Not like just cover it and not really take care of the problem. Mighty patch, whenever I use Mighty patch patches, it takes like a day. And she's like, unless it's a really big one, which this one I let get out of control because I didn't go get my normal patches whenever I knew I should have. And now look at me, rushing at 5 o'clock in 5 o'clock traffic about to bed to get some Mighty patches. But yeah, on my list is pretty much, I have toothpaste, but all I have is Sensodyne, and my favorite toothpaste to use besides Sensodyne is Arm & Hammer. So I'm gonna get my Arm & Hammer toothpaste. I want to try out that new Lumi all over body deodorant. I think that's gonna be really nice because this heat is still treacherous, okay? We sweating everywhere, okay? And then I'm gonna go into the section for the patches, and I'm also in need of some lotion, and your girl has eczema, so we can't be playing out here with a dry skin. Otherwise it's gonna make my life a living HE double hockey sticks, okay? Anyway, let's head there. We've made it to Target. Let's go. First things first, makeup. I am gonna grab this liner from Minted. This is one of my favorite lip liners, so, and it's the last one. There it is. Yay. It looks like they're out of my normal patches, so I'm probably gonna have to get this one instead. This one says it's for a combo oily skin, so we'll do. I have combo skin, so that'll work. Let me double check. Yep, we're out of luck. But they do have these patches for under eye hydration. Not what we came for though. Let's move. So I normally get the Natrium Glow Getter one, and I really like this one, so I'm gonna get this one, and then I'm gonna go get the Dove Sensitive one. Sensitive Skin Body Wash. Perfect. See that? The smoother glycolic one too though. I'm not getting this product today, but this EOS shaving cream is like so good for sensitive skin, and it smells really good. This is the Vanilla Bliss one, the Shea Butter shaving cream. You watch my morning routine, I think it was. I used it in that. It's so good. It keeps your skin so smooth. So I just don't have a baby, but I definitely get the Baby Aveeno eczema lotion for myself because, like I said before, my skin's crazy sensitive. And then I think I want to get the little travel size of it too, for me to take like in my purse and stuff, because I used to have a travel size, but I lost it, or I think I used it all. and I just never bought another one, so I think I'm gonna get another one of those. I think that's it from the baby area. If you have sensitive skin, I definitely recommend like going to the baby area and picking up like lotions, because they give them better ingredients in their stuff. I swear they do. Anyway, that's it for me in the baby section.
Pray you get that job in time, bro. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster.
So I'm looking at the TheraBreath mouthwashes. I normally get this one. It's the whitening one, which I still have some of it at the crib, but I just saw the pink one. I see a lot of people get that one, and that one's anti-cavity, and your girl has a sweet tooth, so I think I'm gonna get that one this time. This is everything I have so far, if you could see. But yeah, I think that's everything I need. I'm just gonna dwindle around and try not to get into the athleisure section, because that's the section that has me in a freaking chokehold. Try my best. But one of the things that I want to show you guys that I have at the crib are these tongue scrapers. I really like these. And then also, they're from Grin. And then I also like their floss, just to pop in my purse whenever I go out with my friends. I think it's really, really good. See, I'm not even supposed to be up in here for this. These cute though, Kayla. This is cute.
I seen a girl out there in class today, and I double looked, and I was like, "What is this? I can get it."
I came here for other stuff.
No, you don't.
It's cute though. It doesn't scare.
Let him out.
It's so cute.
How much are they? 30?
Yeah.
Cheaper than stick.
That's what I'm saying. They fire, but I came here to. Nah, I don't need it. I'm not gonna get it. But I came here to re-up on some of
Did you record it?
Yeah, I did. We're not playing. So why they got all the t-shirts, Kayla?
No, we don't want them bell peppers.
Yup. I need like 30 of these. So y'all, I think I got everything that I needed. We re-upped on a lot of things that I normally use for like hygiene, self-care type stuff. And so we're gonna run back home, and then I'll get y'all the full haul. The air conditioning is so loud in here, y'all. It's not even freaking funny. Okay, let's go through everything I got from Target for my hygiene. Start off with this first bag. I got 2 body washes. These are replacements, or I'm replenishing body washes. This one I'm not fully out of, but this one I am. I love Dove sensitive skin body wash. This is the hypoallergenic one. If you know me, the girl needs, I have extremely sensitive skin, so I have to have at least one body wash that's like sensitive skin. I do like dipping and dabbling into like vanilla scents or like shea butter scents or like cocoa, but like I don't do a lot of florals or anything crazy because it tends to break out my skin. I don't know why like vanilla scents or cocoa or shea scents don't break me out as much, probably because of the shea butter and the oils that they use in there. But if I try different body washes, I have to have at least one Dove sensitive skin one. So I got this one to replenish because all I have is the bar version right now, and I'm kind of getting sick of that. I want a body wash. And then I got another one of these kind of early because I still have some of this in my shower, but this is one of my favorite body washes, and my local Target normally runs out of this quickly, so I wanted to get it while I can. This is the Glow Getter multi-oil body wash by Natrium. This is so good and hydrating. I would highly recommend this for anybody. Even if you don't have dry skin, I feel like this gives me a glow. I know there was like a trend for girls to use like a body conditioner or a shower lotion. This right here is giving shower lotion vibes because it's so hydrating, it's so smooth, it has a bunch of oils and nourishing products in here to make your body feel slick. These together, for my girls with sensitive skin, I think this will be a good pairing because this doesn't have like a really strong fragrance, or if any at all, and then this one doesn't have a fragrance at all. If you like to use other scents like Vanilla E, I know that Method body wash is good. The coconut one, I think the Shea one is good. I heard Santal, something like that is a good one. You like fragrances, but yeah, these two, holy girls. Like I said before, your girl has eczema, extremely dry skin. So I like to use the Aveeno Baby Eczema Therapy Lotion. They make that eczema therapy in like the regular lotion section, but I think the baby one is better because it comes in this jar and it's super thick. It's super thick. The one that comes out the pump isn't as thick as this, probably for like user issues. The pump probably gets stuck a lot, like the product gets stuck in the pump, but the one in the jar is thick, honey. So if you have dry skin, you can be hydrated with this. I ended up getting like a travel size too to put in my backpack and in my purses, because with all this hand washing we be doing out here in this re-up of COVID days, my hands be getting ashy. So I need a little ting in my bag just in case. What else did I get? I got more toothpaste. I got the Arm & Hammer Peroxy Care. I like using this one a lot because it helps whiten my teeth. I get a lot of compliments on my teeth, specifically the whiteness in it, and I think this has to do with it. Recently I started using Sensodyne just because my teeth are so sensitive, but if we're talking whiteness, I think Arm & Hammer gets the job done. And just the strong flavor of it just makes me feel like my teeth are clean. Next thing that I got is mouthwash. I got this TheraBreath mouthwash. This is the anti-cavity one. I have the whitening one in my drawer, in my hygiene drawer, but I literally wanted to try a new one because I see a lot of girls use this pink one, and I need to get on the anti-cavity stuff because last time I was at the dentist, girl, yeah, they told me slow down on the candy. So I wanted to get this to kind of combat that so I don't have to lose too much of my sweets. Next thing I got is this whole body deodorant. I've seen this a lot on TikTok. This is a new product for me. I've never tried this one, but I got it in Toasted Coconut. It says it's for pits, privates, and beyond. I got this specifically just to try out a new deodorant because I love my Dove. Love her to death, but sometimes I'm like, okay, I want one with the scent, and this one came with Toasted Coconut, and plus I've heard like aluminum free is better for you, so I want to try one. And I think the texture is going to be kind of like lotion. I'm gonna put a little on my hand because it said all over. It definitely smells like a baked good. I like this. Hold on, that actually smells great, and it's from the brand Lumi. I don't know, don't charge it to my head. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it smells freaking good. And then last, I think that's the last thing. Oh, two things. I got, this isn't really hygiene, but I got this to put in my fridge. Last hygiene product, I got these mighty patches for my whole face. Like I showed y'all at the store, they ran out of the little patches, which is what I needed for my pimple on my face, but hey, this is all they had, so I'm gonna deal with this one. This one is the whole face one. This is the oily combination skin one. I'm probably gonna throw this all over my face and see what we get in the AM. These work so well. I've tried other pimple patches. Other patches don't work as well for me. Mighty Patch is doing the dang thing. All of these products will be listed on my LTK if you want direct links to everything. If you want to make a little shopping list so you can take it to your next trip to Target. I hope you enjoyed the video. Anyways, your girl Destiny Lanay, and I hope this video brought you today. Peace.
Whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew.